All right, another news, Keir Starmer, who has now resigned, and now people are reacting to the resignation and also the potential candidates who are in fray to replace him. Let's hear out some of them.
Not surprised. I think he's done the right thing. I think he needs to step aside and let someone else take over. So, yeah, I think it's a good thing.
It appears to be a foregone conclusion that Andy Burnham is going to become Prime Minister. It looks like it might be a coronation. There is some debate that it should be contested, and it would be more healthy if there was some form of contest.
I'm glad, really. Just needed a change. I think like most of the country are probably just feeling the same way as what I am. Like all you're hearing is like how much of a bad job he's doing. And I did want to vote Labour in the first place. But I'm just worried it's going to be out of the frying pan and into the fire now with potentially this Andy Burnham coming in.
Well, I think it's good because I'm living here 18 years, and since I came over here, this country was beautiful. You could work, live, do whatever you like. Right now, you just work like slave, and you don't have money for nothing. I'm a hardworking labor. I work in construction site, and it's really this country went down for since a couple of years already.
The entire Europe is under a heat trap. The increase in temperatures is having a significant impact on vulnerable groups, especially children. In southeastern France, 2 children aged 2 and 4 were discovered unconscious in the family car parked outside their residence. First responders were unable to resuscitate them, and the cause of the death are yet to be determined, but authorities say the heat is a leading line of inquiry. In total, at least 18 people have died in France as the heat wave hung over the country, smashing temperature records in several cities. The deaths follow those of 3 elderly people, aged between 80 and 95, who died near Bordeaux over the weekend as a result of health problems caused by the extreme temperatures. Temperatures are expected to rise further. French authorities have already placed half the country on a level 1 danger to life warning, urging 35 million people to exercise absolute vigilance, avoid exertion and stay out of direct sun. National Weather Service said that temperatures throughout western and central France were likely to exceed 40 degrees Celsius, hitting 43 degrees Celsius in Bordeaux, 41 degrees Celsius in Limoges, and 31 degrees Celsius in Paris, and would continue rising until the end of the week.
It's been really, really hot. I wasn't expecting it to be so bad, especially on the metro and stuff. The windows are so small, and I just try to drink as much water as possible, but even now I went to the shop, there's like no water in the shops. It's all like really hot.